Time check, it's 11:18, so we're gonna have lunch soon, then print some paper, yes, to show tomorrow. Yeah, some papers, important documents. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm just using my phone. No, I think we're inside the room. Feeling guapa. It's really hot, so we can have burger for lunch, so I'm gonna do it like that. So there is a temple. And in the other side, you can already see it's the river. It's the Thailand. It's the Mekong. Look. Mekong River. So yes, so we are now in the burger shop. Apparently, they said this is the best burger in town. Look. But no one is here. So I don't really know if they're serving now, but yeah, we see. Yeah, Pienten is a bit ano siya, parang dirty siya outside. I don't really know, maybe it's just because of the festival, they are not yet finished cleaning, but it's like that. That is what I observed. And the smell also. There's a lot of ano here, there's a lot of what's this, a lot of Korean restaurant, and it's a mix of ano siya, restaurant here, lots of ano, basta I saw a lot of Korean restaurant, and then a lot of also, what's this, Thai food they offer. And then what else they have here? Yeah, the banh mi also, they have that bread. Last night there was someone selling banh mi in the street, and she overcharged, so we didn't buy any. She overcharged it. So this is my burger. This is beef with rice, grilled chicken. This is for Baby Morena. It's just too small, the serving's too small, and then the price is expensive. It's really expensive. Yeah, expensive and really small. So this is
No mayonnaise?
no.
I have.
So
No, it's cheese.
it's a bit expensive here in Vientiane. Bon appetit.
They're really good.